And welcome back to part 2 of this series of using spreadsheets and using charts to display the data in those spreadsheets. Let's take a look at the next chart that I want to create. Beforehand I had created a simple bar chart, and I had simply highlighted these two rows, and it was very easy to, or these two columns rather, B and C. Here I'm going to take let's say the country, and I'm going to highlight that. And if you want to do something that's not adjacent right next to the column that you want to do a chart for, you hold the control key and then select by clicking and dragging through the data that you want. Then simply clicking next to insert chart, and once again it's going to default to a column chart. In this particular case for reading, I'd much prefer a bar chart. And here I've got the total count in here. What if I want to get a chart that includes multiple series? And so let's go to, I'm going to highlight the whole country, and quite frankly I'm just going to click and hold the control key, and click and drag up and get all of the rest of these totals. I'm going to click on insert next, chart, and here we go. That looks very colorful. We're going to go to, once again, my tried and true. We can do a bar chart in this particular case. It's going to make it very cumbersome unless it's very large and you have fewer data points. So in here I prefer to use a stacked bar chart. And so on a stacked bar chart I'm going to click on, let's say this one, and then I get the gold, silver, and bronze totals, and then I get the overall total in here as well. And when you hover your mouse over those data points, you're going to see that it's got the total within that. Let's go to customize next, and we'll kind of end this and go into a part 3 for this. So when I go to chart style, or let's go to series, if I want to change the gold series, I want to make this a gold color. I'm going to choose gold. Let's choose the silver. That way we get some accurate representations here. And then let's go to the bronze. I'm cool with bronze being that color. And then let's go to the total. I'm fine with that color as well. In that, great way to use a colorful chart representation of your data. Kids love this because they can. It's very easily discernible as far as having the data being represented. So look for part 4 or part 3 in the next episode here, and we're going to go in on how to map our data, which is kind of a cool lesson. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.